In today's hyper-scrolling world, the difference between a video that gets swiped past and one that actually stops someone mid-scroll comes down to a mix of solid filmmaking chops and a little AI magic. The good news is that you can pull off eye-catching visual effects without needing a full Hollywood studio rig, often using just your phone and the right creative workflow. I'm going to walk you through 3 specific visual effects step by step, showing you how I edit them and where Vizard fits into the setup to help turn those long videos into bite-sized, shareable clips on autopilot. First up, we have the background swap, a technique that gives off instant channel surfing or dream state vibes. The starting point is always the same, so capture a practical clip of yourself, perhaps pretending to flip a TV remote while mounted securely on a tripod. The tripod is key here because you want zero camera movement for this specific kind of trick to work smoothly. Some creators still swear by green screens, but honestly, with modern generative tools, that is usually overkill. The main thing is to stand out from your background, as the more separation you have, the cleaner your masks will be later. When you get to the moment you want to start the swap, simply pause on that frame and take a high-resolution screen grab. From there, bring that frame into a generative tool like Adobe Firefly to use generative fill and remove yourself entirely from the shot. That process gives you a clean plate, which is basically the same scene but entirely without you in it. Next, upload that clean plate into an AI video generator to create a few animated background variants. Pro tip: use an enhanced prompt or draft your ideas in ChatGPT to ask clarifying questions before finalizing your AI generation. Being specific about lighting, camera movement, and artistic style will dramatically improve your final results. For my experiments, I like to make 3 different backgrounds with subtle movements so the lighting matches the original plate. Once you have 3 background clips, bring them into an editor as separate tracks to align them with your main footage. If you don't want to deep dive into complex editing software, this is where Vizard becomes a serious productivity win. Vizard can automatically find the best moments in your long clip and create short variations, saving you the manual cutting. It won't replace your fine compositing work, but it will give you ready-to-post clips and the exact snippets that perform best. I like to time cuts between backgrounds to match the remote clicks and then overlay a CRT-style channel change element. Add a CRT beep or static sound effect and suddenly the thing reads way more like a crafted moment and less like 2 sloppy edits slapped together. Quick recap: film on a tripod, screenshot your frame, generate your clean plate, layer in your editor, and mask your performance. Vizard plugs into this as the content engine, finding those high-quality moments so you can test them across platforms. Effect 2: the seamless scene transition, which works best when your 2 clips align visually, like a wide shot that lines up with an interior. The trick is to create a bridge between the 2 scenes so it feels like you're actually traveling from one environment into the next. Grab a freeze frame from the outgoing clip and another from the incoming clip, then feed both into an AI video generator. Prompt the tool to create a transitional animation that morphs between the 2 images. Drop the generated transition between the 2 original clips in your timeline and speed it up a touch. Add a little RGB drift and motion blur for cinematic glue and use sound design like a whoosh to sell the movement. While Premiere or Firefly are fantastic for creative control, they are time-consuming when you're producing dozens of short clips each week. Vizard's auto-editing feature picks the viral parts for you and churns out multiple variations optimized for social media. It is a workflow multiplier, not a replacement for your detailed craft. Effect 3: the Earth Zoom, which is everywhere on social feeds right now. Start by generating a focused image of the Earth in your AI tool, being specific about the geography where your scene should land. Then pick a starting frame for your second clip and feed both images into an AI generator to create a zooming flight. Drop this generated zoom between your shots and add subtle color grading across the sequence to make the join feel less synthetic. If you're doing a narrative series, Vizard's auto-editing and scheduler can mass-produce variations of these zooms and intros. Let's talk tools. Adobe Firefly and Premiere are powerful, but they often require a learning curve and separate subscriptions. For creators who want high-fidelity control, that suite is amazing. but it can be manually intensive. Vizard fills a crucial gap by finding the best moments in your long videos and scheduling them through a content calendar. Ultimately, I use AI for seasoning, not for replacing the base ingredients. When the goal is to turn one long live stream or tutorial into dozens of social-first clips, Vizard is the glue that cuts production time down. If you want to see more specific tutorials or keys for getting better overlays out of AI, tell me which one and I'll break it down. Until then, get out there, shoot something bold with your phone, and let a smart tool handle the grunt work so your creativity can scale. See you in the next one.